guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another study vlog. So I started off my day with some jeera water to calm myself, and then I went for a walk. The weather was so good today, so I decided to go on a walk. So basically this is the condition of my desk. So before starting my day, I'm going to clean this. So you guys can see it's pretty dusty. So yeah, let's clean this up. So basically I have to do so many things. Like I have to rewatch a lecture from yesterday. So in yesterday's lecture, this is what I did. Like I was so sleepy, I couldn't focus. So I don't know what I did. So we have to catch up on that as well. So yeah, whenever I open my window, my desk gets so dusty, like so dusty. So I have to clean that up. So after cleaning, let's start with my day. So basically I started off by writing everything that I have to do. I also jotted some things on my study planner. Last 2 days were holiday, not yesterday, but the other 2 days were holiday. So because of that, I did not have much to do. And also this video will be kind of short because I did not do so many things as I was not well. I was not well at all, so that's why this video will be little short. So the first thing is watching my lecture of the day, and like today I have only one lecture, so that was chemistry. From chemistry I have already done the other topic, so because of that I only had one topic to cover. So I was just writing down the things. So basically this week is a trial week. We haven't started yet our NEET based lectures or classes, so because of that we were doing some things related to school. And also up until now whatever I've done is just my self preparation. So now we'll be actually starting to prepare for NEET. At first I didn't take this that seriously, but now I guess I should, because it is really a competitive exam and we should take this as seriously. So yeah, that's basically what I was doing, and this lecture was very fun. And I find physics the most boring because I don't know. After that I went to get a quick breakfast, and yeah, this was my breakfast. So coming back to the vlog, as I said, I find physics the most boring because, you know, like doing the same stuff again and again, like those were the chapters that I've already done, and I was like so sleepy when it was repeating again, and like you get sick of it, like, but you know, you have to do that anyway. So I finished watching yesterday's lecture. I completed yesterday's lecture as well as today's lecture. So today I had chemistry and yesterday was physics. There is only one class per day as it for now, maybe for the time being. After that I decided to practice some questions. So I was practicing some questions from a question bank called PrepLadder. It is basically a question bank where you can practice all of your questions, and also they provide a detailed solution of the answer. To me, I personally believe that we need to practice a lot in order to be perfect. So I am kind of a person who practices everything. So the course that I'm going on with is of course NEET UG, and there are also other courses available like medical PG, FMGE, super specialty NEET UG, IIT JEE GATE, UPSC CAT. You name it, they have it. It is according to NEET pattern, and solving a question bank will definitely help us to get solution along with the questions. So it will save us time as well. So we don't have to search for answers, like you have the detailed solutions with you. So it is really important to, you know, practice more questions, like as much as questions as possible. You can practice from anywhere, and this is the one that I'm currently using. Choosing the right study materials is very important when it comes to exam preparation. So, I genuinely think this app will definitely help you to practice more questions. But you can only access the app by using an invite code. But don't worry, guys, I got you. You can use my code StudyT41 to get almost 4.5 months of free access. So, what are you guys waiting for? Start solving questions using PrepLadder Question Bank. I will provide a link in the description box down below. So I was solving some questions and I did make some errors. So I was just writing down the errors that I've made on a little sticky note. And after that, the next thing on my list was to watch a math lecture. So the lecture I have to watch was the first chapter lecture, and it was like my first lecture as well. Lot of you guys ask me that you are a PCMB student, then why are you not solving or practicing math? It's because I took math for the sake of the school requirements, and I won't be paying much attention to math because there is no need of it. Just for the R board exam, there will be only questions from the NCRT itself. So that's why I'm not paying that attention to math. So yeah. And also you guys asked me that I also took PCMB and I can't handle it, or how I am handling math and bio together. So as I said, I'm not paying that much attention to math. There is also another advantage of taking math, because when you're applying for abroad colleges or universities, they ask you or they require math. So that will definitely help if I won't be able to crack NEET. After that, I took a break, like a really long break. As you guys can see, it's like almost evening. And while I was on my break, I finished watching Frozen 2, and that was really good. Usually in the evening or at night, I like to revise and review all the things that I've learned that day, like the topics, so that it helps me to retain the stuff that I learned that day, and it will be in my memory for a long run. The one problem that I faced when I was younger was the power of memory. Like, I wasn't able to keep stuff in my mind. So because of that, I used to only open books like the day before exam, so that I can put everything in my head and write the exam the next day. So but I think that is not good, and that's why I started studying every day. So that's it for today's video. Bye.